Good evening, friends. In this particular part, I would like to show the history as it has been showcased in the Wikipedia page, I would say. Now, here, the history showcases that yes, Python was conceived in the late 1980s, and then slowly, with the journey of job for RISM, we can see how it started off, kicked off, coming up with the different versions. Now, here we can even see how the steering console was formed, and later on how Python 2.0 and Python 3.0 were released in the years of 2000 and 2008. Later on, you can even check it out that yes, they have given you enough of information regarding the features and philosophy of Python programming language also. So this is a small introduction to showcase the history, so that we definitely go ahead with that particular page on Wikipedia and check it out on the details also side by side, along with the famous five for Python programming language. So that's what I just wanted to showcase in this particular video. And let me come up with yet another one in which I'll be showcasing to you all the 125 versions of Python programming language. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.